So now we are going to solve this paper. First question is resolve x by x plus 2 into x minus 3 into partial fractions. So expanding this, x by x plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Now multiply this equation with x plus 2 into x minus 3. So we get the value of a into x equals to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 2. This is the equation 1. Now substituting x equals to minus 2, then we get the value that minus 2 equals to a into minus 2 minus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. That means minus 2 equals to minus 5a plus 0. That means minus minus cancel. A equals to 2 by 5. Now substituting x equals to minus 2 in equation 1, we get the value that minus 2 equals to a into minus 2 minus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. So we get the value that x equals to ax minus 3a plus bx plus 2b. That means minus 2 equals to a, already we got the value 2 by 5 into minus 2 minus 3 into 2 by 5 plus b of minus 2 plus 2 into b. Minus 2 equals to 2 into minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus 6 by 5 minus 2b plus 2b. So from this we get the value of b. So here we get the value of b as 3 by 5. Substituting a and b in this equation here, that means so in this equation we get the value of x by x plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 2 by 5 into x plus 2 plus 3 by 5 into x minus 3. Next one, second one, if a equals to 0 1 2 1 minus 3 4 and b equals to 0 2 1 4 3 2, then find 2a plus 3b. So now first one 2a, multiplying a matrix with 2. So 2 into 0, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into minus 3, 2 into 4. So the value is 0 2 8, 2 minus 6 8. Now multiplying the b matrix with 3, 3 into b, that means 3 into 0, 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 2. That equals to 0 6 3 12 9 6. Now adding 2a plus 3b. So now 0 2 4 2 minus 6 8, 0 12 6 9 3 6. So by multiplying, as we get that 0 plus 0 2 plus 6 4 plus 3 2 plus 12 minus 6 plus 9 8 plus 6. So the value is 0 8 17 14 3 14. Next one, evaluate 8 2 5 2 minus 1 9 7 4 12. So that means we need to find the value of det A. So the formula is det A is 8 into first row first column is done like this. That means 8 into minus 1 9 4 into 12. Next minus 2 into this one cancel. That means 2 9 7 12 plus 5 into this one cancel. That means 2 minus 1 7 4. So this. Now substituting this 2 into 2 matrix, we know how to solve it. Minus 1 into 12 minus of 4 into 9. And here 2 into 12 minus 7 into 9. And here 2 into 4 minus of minus 1 into 7. So by solving this value, we get the value of det A, that equals to minus 231. Next one. If tan A equals to 1 by 2 and tan B equals to 1 by 3, find 2a plus 2b. 2a plus 3b. We know the formula that tan 2a equals to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, and tan 3b equals to 3 tan b minus tan cube b by 1 minus 3 tan square b. So they are given that tan a equals to 1 by 2 and tan b equals to 1 by 3. So now taking the values, tan square a as 1 by 2 whole square, that equals to 1 by 4, and tan square b as 1 by 3 square, that means 1 by 9. Now substituting these two values, and here tan 2a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 into tan a value is 1 by 2 by 1 minus tan square a. Tan square value is 1 by 4. So 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, that equals to 1 by 3 by 4, that means 4 by 3. Now tan 3b. Tan 3b formula is 3 tan b minus tan cube b by 1 minus 3 tan square b. So substituting these values here, we get the value of tan 3b as 13 by 9. Now ask the 2a plus 3b. That means half into tan 2a plus 1 by 3 into tan 3b. So that means 1 by 2 into tan 2a value is 4 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 into tan 3b value is 13 by 9. Now 2 cancel, 2 into 2. So 2 by 3 plus 13 by 27. So the value is 31 by 27. 2a plus 3b value is 31 by 27. Next one. Prove that 1 plus cos 2a by sin 2a equals to cot a. By taking this LHS, we know the formula that cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Substituting this formula here, LHS, 1 plus 2 cos square minus 1 by 2 sin a cos a. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 cos square a. So it can be written as 2 into cos a into cos a. Cos a cancel, 2 cancel. Cos a by sin a equals to cot a. So LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Next one. Find the real and imaginary parts of 1 by 1 minus 2c. That means they are asking to find it as a plus bi. So we need to express it in the form of a plus bi. So where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary part. So here 1 by 1 minus 2c can be written as 1 plus 2c by 1 minus 2c into 1 plus 2c. That means 1 plus 2c by a plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus 2c whole square. That means 1 plus 2c by 1 minus 4c square. So now here 1 by 1 minus 4c square plus 2c by 1 minus 4c square. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. They are asked to find the real and imaginary parts. So this is real part and this is imaginary part. Next one. Find the perpendicular distance of the point 2, 4 from the line 4x minus 3y minus 6. So we know the formula that of a perpendicular distance is ax naught plus by naught plus c by root a square plus b square. So from the equation, the values of a, b, c are a equals to 4, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 6. And substituting this 2, 4 values as x naught and y naught. This is x naught and this is y naught. Substituting these values here in this perpendicular distance formula, 4 into 2 minus 3 into 4 minus 6 by root over 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. So the value is 10 by 5. So the perpendicular distance of the given point from the given line is 10 by 5 units. Next one. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 2, 5 and have slope minus 3 by 4. Slope is represented in the form of minus 3 by 4 m. So x1, y1 are minus 2, 5. So we know the formula that y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That means m equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So substituting the values of x1, y1 and m, we get the value of y in terms of x. So this is the equation of line passing through the given point and given slope. That tends to y equals to minus 3 by 4x plus 7 by 2. Next one, ninth one. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 sin 5x by sin 6x. We know the formula that limit x tends to 0 sin nx by sin mx equals to n by m. That means here by comparing this equation, n equals to 5, m equals to 6. That means 5 by 6. So the limit value is equal to 5 by 6. 10th one. Find dy by dx if y equals to e power x plus x square minus 2 sin x. First term, taking this first term, d by dx of e power x is equals to e power x and d by dx of x square is x power n. D by dx of x power n formula is x into x n into x power n minus 1. That means x square equals to 2 into x power 2 minus 1. So 2x. And now dy by dx of sin x is minus cos x. So substituting these three values here, dy by dx equals to e power x plus 2x minus 2 cos x. So the derivative of y with respect to x is e power x plus 2x minus 2 cos x. Now, solving the part B. Solve the system of equations 2x plus y minus z equals to 1, x plus y minus z equals to 0, and 3x plus 2y plus 2z equals to 5 by Cramer's method. That means taking these three equations in the form of a matrix, that means x coefficient, y coefficient, and z coefficients. This and this 1, 0, 5. So 2, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, 2. This is taken as a matrix. So solving this matrix value delta, that means 2 into 2 into 1 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 2. That means 2 plus 2 minus 1 into this one cancel. That means 1 minus 1, 3, 2. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 into this one. So 1, 1, 3, 2. 2 minus 3. So the value is 4. And here now substituting this equation as 0, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 2. So that means substituting this 0, 1, 3 as here. So that means in this place here, in the place of 2, substituting 0, the value of delta 1 is minus 4. And next delta 2, that means substituting here in this place, which is 1, it is substituted as 0, then the value of delta 2 is 9, and here substituting 0 in the place of minus 1, the value of delta 3 is 3. By using Cramer's rule, we know the formula that x equals to delta 1 by delta. That means delta 1 value is minus 4, delta value is 4, minus 4 by 4 equals to minus 1, and y delta 2 by delta, that means 9 by 4, and z equals to delta 3 by delta, that equals to 3 by 4, and x, y, z values are minus 1, 9 by 4, 3 by 4. 11b. If a equals to 1, 3, 2 minus 1 and b equals to 4, 5, 0, 6, then show that a plus b whole transpose equals to a transpose plus b transpose. That means transpose value means, that means saying transposing, that means substituting the values of row in the column and column as row. That means a transpose. First, normally adding a plus b, that means a plus b, that means 1 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 0, minus 1 plus 6. So the value is 5825. That means this is a plus b value. And now transposing this 5, 8, the row we see that 5, 8 are there. This will be turned as 5, 8, 2, 5 transpose. The rows are transposed into columns and the columns are transposed into rows. Now A transpose plus B transpose. 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 4, 0, 5, 6. That means 1 plus 4, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 5, minus 1 plus 6. So 5, 8, 2, 5. A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Hence proved. Next one, prove that cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A equals to 0. We know the formula of cos A plus B as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 120 minus 0.5, cos A minus cos 1 sin 120 is root 3 by 2. Sin A, cos 120 minus A. Cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So substituting these values, we got these two. So substituting these two values in this equation, we get the value that cos A minus 0.5 cos A plus 0.5 cos A minus root 3 by 2 sin A plus root 3 by 2 sin A. This one cancel. This one cancel. So the value is 0. Therefore cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A is equals to 0. Hence proved. Next one. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 equals to pi by 4. You know the formula that tan inverse A plus tan inverse B equals to tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB. So here by observing this equation, A equals to 3 by 5 and B equals to 1 by 4. Substituting this A equals to 3 by 5 and B equals to 1 by 4 in this formula, we get the value of tan inverse of 1. That means tan pi by 4 equals to 1. That means tan 45. So tan inverse of 1 equals to pi by 4. 13th one. Solve 2 sin square theta minus sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. So from this, ax square plus bx plus c, it is in the form. So a equals to 2, b equals to minus 1, c equals to minus 1. So sin theta equals to minus b. We know the formula to find a root that minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here it is. So substituting these values here, we get the value of 1 plus or minus 3 by 4. So sin theta equals to 1 plus 3 by 4 or 1 minus 3 by 4. That means value 1 minus 1 by 2. We got two values. So substituting these two values here, if sin x equals to 1, then the equation value is 0 here. And if here, if we substitute sin x equals to minus 1 by 2 in this equation, then we get the value of 3 by 4. This is not a valid solution. So sin x equals to 1 is the right answer. So only one solution. Therefore, there is only one solution to the equation that tends to sin x equals to 1. 13b. Solve the triangle ABC with a equals to 13, b equals to 14, c equals to 15. Find cos b. By using the cosine rule, we know the formula of cos b equals to c square plus a square minus b square by 2ac. So substituting ABC values here, we get the value of cos b that equals to 15 square plus 13 square minus 14 square by 2 into 15 into 13, that equals to 198 by 390, that equals to 33 by 65. Next, 14a. Find the center and radius of a circle. They have given the equation of the circle as x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. It is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So from this, the center of a circle is c, that equals to minus g comma minus f, and radius of circle r, root over g square plus f square minus c. C center formula is minus g minus f. That means here minus g minus f. So that means 2g equals to minus x, 2f equals to 4. That means g equals to minus 3 and f equals to 2. So the center of the given circle is minus 3 comma 2. Now finding the radius. The radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c square. So substituting f, g and c values here, the radius is root over 25, that equals to 5. So the center of the circle is minus 3 comma 2 and the radius of the circle is 5. Next, find the vertex, focus, latus rectum, axis and length of the latus rectum of the parabola y plus 5 whole square equals to 4 into x minus 2. Now, comparing this equation with a below given standard form, the standard form of a parabola is y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. So, the vertex of parabola is at the point h comma k. That means 2 comma minus 5. And now focus of the parabola is at h plus a comma k. That means 4a equals to 4. That means a equals to 1. So the focus of the parabola is h plus a. H value is 2. This is h and this is k. So h plus 1. So 2 plus 1 comma k. That means minus 5. 3 comma minus 5. And now the length of the latus rectum of the parabola is given by 4a. So that means 4 into a. The a value is 1. That means 4 units. The length of the latus rectum is 4 units. Now the axis of the parabola is a line for the directrix that tends to x equals to 2. So the vertex is 2 comma minus 5 and the focus is 3 comma minus 5 and the latus rectum is 4a and the axis is x equals to 2 and the length of the latus rectum, that means 4a. 4. Now find dy by dx if y equals to x into e power x plus cos 2x. First, taking this x into e power x, d by dx of x into e power x plus d by dx of cos 2x. First, taking this value x, we know the formula of d by dx of uv as uv dash plus vu dash. So u into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into d by dx of x. X into d by dx of e power x. The value of d by dx of e power x is e power x and dx by dx is equals to 1. So first one is x e power x plus e power x. Now taking the second term, d by dx of cos 2x. That means minus sine 2x into d by dx of 2x. So minus 2 sine 2x. Now substituting these two values in the original equation, we get the value of x e power x plus e power x minus 2 sine 2x. That means e power x into, taking this e power x common, e power x into x plus 1 minus 2 sine 2x. Now 15b. Find dy by dx if y equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. By using the chain rule, we know the formula that dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. Now, here taking this 3x minus 4x cube as u, du by dx equals to 3 minus 12x square. So now to find the dy by du, we can use the derivative of inverse sine function. So dy by du equals to 1 by root over 1 minus 4 square. So now putting these two together, dy by dx equals to 1 by root over minus 1 minus 4 square into 3 minus 12x square. So that tends to substituting u equals to 3x minus 4x cube. Here get the value of 1 by root over 1 minus 3x minus 4x cube into 3 minus 12x square. This is the value of dy by dx. Now 16a. Find dy by dx if x equals to a cos theta and y equals to a sin theta. Dy by dx formula, that means dy by d theta and dx by d theta. First we need to find dy by d theta. So they are given that y equals to a sin theta. Dy by d theta equals to d by d theta of a sin theta. That means d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. So minus a cos theta. And now d by d theta finding. So d by d theta of a cos theta, that equals to minus a sin theta. Dy by dx equals to a cos theta by minus a sin theta. A cancel. Cos theta by sin theta equals to minus cot theta. So dy by dx equals to minus cot theta. Now 16b. Find dy by dx if y equals to root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x plus and so on up to infinity. So let us take y equals to root over sin x plus, taking this as y. So now y square equals to sin x plus y. So that means 2y into dy by dx. Differentiating this equation, 2y into dy by dx equals to cos x plus dy by dx. So that means 2y minus 1 into dy by dx equals to cos x. Sending this dy by dx here, taking out dy by dx common. So dy by dx equals to cos x by 2y minus 1. Next, 17. Find the length of the tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal for the curve y equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 4 at 2, 4. So now differentiating this equation, y equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 4. Now differentiating this y with respect to x, we get the value of 3x square minus 4x. Now substituting x equals to 2 here, that means y dash of 2, we get the value of 4. Therefore, the slope of the tangent line at 2, 4 is 4. Now, finding the equation of the tangent line at 2, 4 using the point slope form. So, we know the formula that y minus 4 equals to 4 into x minus 2. That means y equals to 4x minus 8 plus 4. That means y equals to 4x minus 4. So, the length of the tangent line using the distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the points given are 2, 4 and 1, 0. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the value is root over 17. The subnormal is the distance between the point of the tangent and the y-axis. Then that means x equals to 0. So substituting that, y equals to, already we know that y equals to 4x minus 4, where the tangent line is at the equation using the point slope form at 2, 4. So now substituting that, y equals to minus 1 by 4 into x plus 9 by 2, y equals to 9 by 2 as the x equals to 0. This term is equals to 0. So now the subnormal at 2, 4 is the distance between the points 2, 4 and 0, 9 by 2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then the value is root over 17 by 4. So it can be written as root over 17 by 2. Now 17b. The radius of a spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second inverse. Find the rate at which the volume is increasing when radius is 10 centimeters. So the volume of we know that the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 by r cube. Now differentiating this with respect to time, dv by dt equals to 4 by 3 into pi r square into dr by dt. So already given the rate is increasing at 3 centimeter second inverse. So dr by dt equals to 3 second inverse. That means and radius equals to 10. Therefore, substituting these values here, 4 pi into root 10 square into dr by dt value is 3. So the value is 1200 pi centimeters. The rate at which the volume is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeters is 1200 pi centimeter cube per second. Now find the maximum and minimum value of 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15. First, derivating this function with respect to x, that tends to f dash x equals to 0. So 3 into 2, 6x square minus 18x plus 12. So f dash x value is 6x square minus 18x plus 12. So equating this to 0, and now dividing this equation with 6, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So expanding this equation, x minus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So here the values are x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. These are the critical points. Now finding the second derivative. So from this, 6 into 2, 12x minus 18. F double dash of x equals to 12x minus 18. Now substituting the value of x equals to 1 here. If f double dash of 1 is equals to, then that equals to minus 6. And now substituting x equals to 2. Then f double dash of 2 equals to 6. So x equals to 2 is a local minimum and x equals to 1 is a maximum here. So f of 0 equals to 15, f of 1 equals to 20, f of 2 equals to 3, f of 4 equals to 51. So the global maximum value is f of 3 equals to 51 and the minimum value is f of 2 equals to 3. Now if given that if a equals to 1, 3, 2 comma minus 1 and b equals to 4, 5, 0, 6, a plus b whole transpose equals to a transpose plus b transpose. Now transpose means replacing the row values as columns and column values as rows. So now first find a plus b, that means 1 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 0, minus 1 plus 6. And now transposing this 5 to 8, 5. Now again doing this a transpose, that means 1 2 3 minus 1. B transpose is 4 0 5 6 and adding these two, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 5 minus 1 plus 6. So the value is 5 2 8 5. A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Now if an error of 2% is made in measuring the side of a square plate, find percentage error in its area. So the percentage error in the area can be calculated as follows. Percentage error in A is given as new value of A minus old value of A by old value of A into 100. So finding the actual value of the side of the square plate that lies between is given as, they are given that 2%, that means 2 by 100. So that tends to 0.02. And now x plus 0.02x, that equals to 1 plus 0.2x, and x minus 0.02x is equals to 0.98x, maximum minimum. So the new value is percentage error in A equals to x square minus 0.9604x square by x square into 100%. So the value is 0.0396 into 100%. So that means 100%, that is 100. So 3.96. Or we can also find this as 1.0404 x square minus x square by x square into 100%. So the value is 4.04%. Therefore, the error in the area of the square plate is between 3.96% to 4.04%. So, depending on whether the measurement error leads to an overestimation or underestimation of the actual side length, it lies between 3.96 to 4.04.